Welcome to Pacesetter 11-12. The today topic is relation and the first one, the math, the first chapter of the 12th CBSE syllabus. Today I am going to explain about the relation. Gentlemen, remember we will put the all the lecture into the different parts. So please do listen all the parts. This can be the part 1, 2, 3, 4 is in the sequence. The first is a relation. So before going to the relation, we should understand what is the Cartesian, the products of the sets. Let A and B be the two non-empty set. I think you are well familiar with the non-empty set. So the A and B are the two non-empty set. The set of all the ordered pair. There is all the ordered pair, that is A and B, such that the A is the element of the set A and the B is the element of the set B is called the Cartesian product of the set A with the set B and is denoted by the A into the B. Correct? The A into B is said to be the Cartesian product, the symbol. The A into B can be written, the A and B are the elements such that A is the element of the A and the B is the element of the B. Note that when we write the B into the A, the B element will be reflected first. The B and A are the element, so the B will be the element of the set B and the A will be element of the set A. Correct? The A into B, if it is empty, if it is the empty set, it doesn't have any member, then if either of that, either A is a null set or the not having element, or the set B is also having the not element, so either or, out of two any one is having no element, then it is said the A into B is a, or the Cartesian product of the A into B is a 5. Correct? Now we will see, let A and B be the two set, then a relation R from the set A to set B. If there is a relation between the set A and the set B, it will be the subset of the Cartesian product A and B. If there are two sets A and B, if there is a relation between the A and B, then the Cartesian product of the set A and B will be the subset. Correct? Will be the subset. The relation R, that is a relation which is formed between the set A and B, will be such that the R is the subset of the A and B. It will be written like this. If A and B are the element of the relation R, then we write A is related to B, is called the A is related to B by relation R. If A and B are not the element of the R, not related to the R by the relation, they do not have the relation between them, then we write that A and B is not the element of the R, and we write the A, R, B and cross it. Correct? This is the way we write it. Now we will see the examples. Correct? The examples we will see. Suppose we have the two sets. Correct? The two set. If the set A is having the member or the elements of the 1, 2 and 3. Correct? And we have the set B. This has got the element of, we will take the X and Y. Correct? X and Y. Then we can find the Cartesian product. The Cartesian product we can find A into the B. What will be the Cartesian product? The A into the B will be, that is a 1 in 1x. Correct? 1x. Then it will be the 1y. Correct? Then it will be the 2x. 2x. Then comes the 2y. Correct? Then it will be the 3x and this will be the 3y. So this much the element will be there. Correct? So the Cartesian product will be this one. Correct? You have seen the how many are there? the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see? It is having the element of the 3. This is also having the element of the 2. When you multiply it, the Cartesian element, the Cartesian product, the element will be the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6. Understood? Now, we will say the what will be the B into the 1, correct? The next will be the x2. The third will be the x3. And next will be the y1. Y1. Next will be y2 and the y3, correct? This will be the b into the a, correct? The Cartesian product of b into a. This also will be the 6 in the number, correct? Another we can see the a into the a. When we take the only a into a, then it will be the Cartesian product. That will be the 1 1, correct? The element will be the 1 1. The next will be the 1 2. The next 1 2. Then 1 3. 1 3. Then we will take the 2 1, correct? The 2 1. Then 2, the 2 1, 2 2, and will be the 2 3, correct? The 2 3. Again we will take the 3 1, 3 1, 3 2 and 3 3, correct? 3 3. So this will be the a into the a. Understood? The a into a means the 1 1, the 1 2 and the 1 3. The 2 1, the 2 2 and the 2 3. 3 1 and the 3 2 and the 3 3. Understood? Correct? Because you can count it also. 3 is there, another a is 3. So 3 3 is 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. You can find the elements, the pair in the form of the orders. You can find it is a 9, correct? The next we will see if it is the b into the b. If it is the b into the b, what will be the this one? This will be the x into this is x x, correct? The next will be the x y, correct? The next will be the y x and another will be the y y, correct? So this will be there, b into the b. Remember gentlemen, in the Cartesian product, the total number of the ordered pair. So this is called the ordered pair. What is called? This is called the ordered pair. Ordered pair. So the how many ordered pairs are there? Ordered pair will be always equal to the ordered pair will be always equal to the m into n. If this is the m, this is the n, then it will be always equal to the m into the n, where m and the n are the number of elements, correct? Number of elements of two respective set, correct? Respective the sets. Understood? That I think you understood. The another formula, total number of relation from A to B. Total number of relation from A to B. The A to B is equal to 2 to the power mn, correct? 2 to the power m into the n. The m you know, there is a element, we know it, and n is a this one, correct? So we can come to know the how many will be there, correct? 2 to the power m into the n. Now the next the terms we will explain about the domain. What do you understand by the domain? Domain. Let R be the relation from the set A to the set B. The set of the first component or the coordinates of the ordered pair belong to R is called the domain of the R, correct? So we will see. Let R be the relation. R be the relation from set A to set B, correct? R be the relation between the set A and set B. Then the set of the first component, the component of set, the first set, the component of first set, the component of the first set. You can say the component, you can say the coordinate also, correct? The coordinate also, because it is a pair having the two values. So this component or the coordinates is of the ordered pair. The first set, the component of the set of the ordered pair belongs to R is called the domain of the R. The set of the first component or the first set. Now I am going to explain the domain. Let R be a relation from the set A to set B. Then the set of the first component or the coordinates of the ordered pair belong to the R is called the domain of the R. That is called the domain of the R. How to write the domain of the R? The domain of the R can be written like the A, where the A and B, the such are the elements of the R. The domain of the R is a subset of the set A. The next is if we have the set A, the whose element or the members are 1, 3, 5, and the set B is a 2, 4, 6. Then the relation that we are Cartesian product, we can find out between the A and B, that is the 1, 2, 1, 4. This can be 3, 3, 9. So the 9 pair of the ordered pair will be there. So we can see 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 6, and 5, 2, 5, 4, and the 5, 6 is there. Correct? So the domain of the R will be the 1, 3, 5. That is the set A. Will be called the domain of the R. Correct? The next term we are using the range. What is range? The set of all the second component, the set of the second components or the coordinates of the ordered pair belong to R is called the range of the R. That can be written like that. R is equal to the B, where the A, B are the element of the R. Correct? The element of the R. The range of the R will be the subset of the set B. Correct? Range is applicable if we have the set A and B, and A is related to B. The element of the set B will be said to be the range. Correct? That will be a range. The range of R relation, the range of the relation R will be the 2, 4, 6. That is the set B. Understood? So this is all about the range. The next we will see the image and the pre-image. Next is the image and the pre-image. What is the image? Pre-image. The image and the pre-image. Pre-image. In the ordered pair of the second coordinates will be the image of the first coordinates. In the ordered pair, in the ordered pair, in the ordered pairs, the second coordinates will be second coordinates will be the image of the first coordinates, correct? Coordinates will be the coordinates, and the first coordinates coordinates will be pre-image. The pre-image of the second coordinates. If I give the example, you can understand. Correct? So the 2 and 3. we have the 2 and the 3. Suppose we have the 2 and the 3 here. In that, we can find that this 2 is a, the 2 is a pre-image. 2 is the pre-image of 3, and this is the image of the 2. Understood? This is called the image of 2. Now the next terms is the inverse of a relation. The inverse of a relation. Correct? Inverse. The inverse of a relation. Inverse of a relation. Inverse of a relation. Let A and the B be the two set. A and B be the two sets. Correct? Be the two sets. A and B are the two sets. R be a relation from a set A. The R be the relation from set A to set B. Correct? R be the relation from the set A to set B. Then the inverse of the A. The inverse of the relation. Then inverse of a relation. The inverse of the relation. Inverse of, then the inverse of the of relation R. Relation, the R will be denoted by R to the power inverse. Correct? And is the relation from B to A by this one. Is basically it is a inverse. Is the relation from B to A, and defined by R dash is equal to the B A, such that A and B are the elements of the R. Correct? So here we can write the A and B are the element of the R, such that the B and the A are the element of the inverse. What we find? That this is a domain R is equal to range the inverse. Correct? The range inverse, that we can write like that. Range inverse the R to the power minus 1. Correct? So it will be opposite of that, and the range R will be equal to the domain the R inverse. Correct? R inverse. That is the way we can find out. That can be written like this. Suppose example, the A is given that 1, 2, 3. A is the set. Correct? And the B is another set which has got the element of the A, B and the C. Correct? A, B and C. Then the relation will be the R. The relation we can find is equal to the ordered pair will be the 1A. This is the 1B, the 1C, then the 2A, the 2B, and the 2C. Another will be the 3A, 3B, and the 3C. Correct? 3C. This is the relation from A to B. Correct? It is relation from A to B. Understood? So this is the ordered pair. Then the reverse, that is a inverse of the relation R1 will be just opposite of that, means that will be the relation from B to A. Then in this condition what we will do, we will change it A1, correct, and this will change, will be B1, this is C1, and this will be the B2, C2, and the another will be A3, B3, and C3, correct. This will be the inverse, correct. This will be inverse of a relation. How to find the inverse of the inverse will be from B to A, correct. This is B to A will be the inverse of the relation, correct. The next we will see the types of the relation. The types of the relation. What are the types of the relation? There are different types of the relations. The types of relation. Types of relations. Correct? The type of the relation. The first is a word relation. The word VOID. The word relation. Word relation. Next is a, the second is a, first is a word relation. The second is a universal relation. Universal relation. Universal relation. The third is a, third will see the identity relation. Third is a identity identity relation. Identity relation. The fourth relation is a reflexive relation. Reflexive relation. Reflective relation. And the fifth will be the symmetric. The symmetric relation. Relation, correct. Symmetry relation. And sixth will be the sixth one is a transitive relation. Transitive relation. Transitive relation. Thank you, gentlemen. In the next video, we will explain the all the types of the difference relation. Thanks a lot. Please do not forget to share it. Please subscribe, like it, and write your comments. Correct? Thank you very much. Jai Hind.